Right now I'm just calling this image progress on the style.css. Just putting dot image progress. Inside this I'm gonna having some font family like Poppins. Again the sans serif. Margin bottom 30 pixel. Margin right 20 pixel. Margin top minus 30 pixel. Color should be white. Now if I show you in the browser, yep, you can see it is getting transformation beautifully. Now we have to add the circle shape here to animate the bars. Okay, so for that I am using custom JavaScript library and I'll be giving that library to you in the description box. Coming back to the bracket on the index page, okay, just scrolling the page at the very below, you can see we have jQuery 3.5.1.js. Just after this, I am taking a skip tag. This will be having the source. Inside this, I am linking my circle progress.js. You can simply download it from description box. Okay, it's easy like 1 to 3. Let's have a look. Yep, you can see we have got nice here and it is just animated, but it's not like that. Okay, so we'll have to make it like earlier one. Coming back to the bracket on the style.css, this time we have to work for the progress text. Friends, if I show you, you can see this is the text. Now we have to align it at the vertically center. So how we'll align it? Just pressing right mouse button, going for the inspect element and finding its class where these numbers are just coming. I'm selecting this tool, clicking on the number, and you can see this is called progress bar text. This class is containing the values. Okay, so I'm just coming back to the bracket on the style.css. I'm gonna having the main class called mhProgress, and inside this we have progress bar text. Color should be inherit. Font family should be Poppins and sans serif. Margin top something around 22 pixel and it's done. If you want to change its stroke width, then you can do that. Simply mention mh progress. This is the main class for this bar. Okay, inside this I'm adding path, and on this nth child pseudo property I'm just adding here a stroke should be RGBA red green blue alpha. This will be having some value like 0.7 for the alpha. A stroke width kind of 5 pixels, so we'll get 5 pixel as a weight or the width for the stroke. Now secondary color like orange we need for the animated bar, that is nth child 2 I'm just putting here. A stroke changing right now I am putting kind of hex color code like F5D020. It will be important obviously. Now let's have a look. If I refresh it and you will take a look. Yep, friends, it's working really cool, isn't it? See here. Now I think we need to put some less margin from the top, so we'll be doing it right now. I am coming back to the bracket and you can see here we have added margin top something like 22 pixel, just decreasing 2 pixel and it will become 20 pixel. Let's have a look. I think we have to decrease 2 pixel even more, and also we have to put some gapping to these bars. Okay, so let's have a look here on the index page where we have to put some line break. First I am decreasing its margin top property like 18 pixel, coming back to the index page here, and we have communication. Just after this I am taking beer tag. Again after this teamworks I am taking beer tag to get some line break. Or without putting line break, what you can do, we have a class here title skills, so just calling their title skills there and putting some margin bottom property like 20 pixel. Let's have a look. Friends, finally we have defined it beautifully. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any issue regarding this, then feel free to ask me. I'll be glad to help you. So friends, in this class we have made it just wow, isn't it?